been on wait for 20 years since Mickey Mouse Clubhouse is released soon. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to take a look at the memories of 2006. So anyways, let's begin.
A few memories from 2006. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Tom and Jerry Tales, Air Buddies, Lilo and Stitch, and the Cars video game.
You notice about Monster House and Mickey Mouse Clubhouse merge into? That's right, Monster Clubhouse it is. So in speaking of Monster Clubhouse, I would say Sesame Street is brought to you today by the numbers 2006. So, let's do it.
We put sunscreen on our head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Rub sunscreen on our head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And don't forget your cheeks and ears and neck and nose. Sunscreen on our head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Doing Tita Elmo, mighty Daddy, Bit Elmo,
Hey everybody, this is Deena Kidoonia speaking. So I'm sorry for 4 days ago since Tune On This Week in Reaction Time, just a little bored and fun. So today we're gonna take a look at 2006. Yay! So Quasimodo, what do we do reacting for the video for what?
Talking Elmo remote control. I remember I was having a kid.
Me too. I'm a kid now. Where a kid can be a kid.
What do you want? I am Kidoonia.
And I'm Marlene.
And me, Debbie Kidoonia. So let's get started with this evolution. Whatever that is. All right, fine. Let me turn the volume up, dude.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop, and it's time for another electronic flashback. This here is a electronic, what looks like a control.
Wow! That was supposed to be a talking Elmo remote control! I just remember I was a kid! I'm a tour guide, actually. I'm an alien. I'm a freaking alien! You doggone stupid remote!
Calm down, Flick. I know what you're thinking.
You tell me what's to get a remote!
The eyelids and makes a sound, you hear?
Hey! Did you hear the clink? You remember the blast of the past!
Wiggy eyes.
Am I gonna go blink?
And then
Yes,
two, and
Flick.
don't do anything.
I know it's a fair clicking on the remote.
She!
Want to hear those closer up? And working our way down, there's the volume plus. So each time I press it in the down, the minus, So there's your actual volume on the toy, which is neat, and then the channel.
Like.
Ooh, went too fast there. Neat. Get lost!
Well, Oscar the Grouch's supposed to be greeny.
Ta-da! 9! Okay, so now these numbers also do something. So we got 1, and then the second time you hit it, ha ha ha, and then 2. Yuck.
Still got yucky.
I just like making
That
the sounds
stuff
after I hear
definitely
them.
rocks about than my daughter.
Hi there. Brain 8.
Hi, everybody.
Hi everybody. 0. Ooh, I like that. Ooh. Oh, so there's 3 sounds, huh?
Oh, that's really love that sound.
Oh, look at that.
That's more like it.
So each time you do it, that one's the same. Cool, I didn't know that.
That's more like it.
Oh, he's got 3.
Still laughing.
That's interesting. So they don't all have a second or third. Ta-da!
Well, this toy
I do
is
this with
so
friends sometimes,
annoying.
See if you get any funny combinations. It's hard on this one because each time's a different sound, so you won't be able to put 2 together. But I think this is a pretty neat little toy. And again, you know, if you want to know why we just did this video, well, it's history. Someone had this, someone loved it, someone played with it, someone might, oh, don't laugh at me. Someone might still have a toy like this and think it's cool. And there's people that will actually modify them and put little pitch bends or other electronics in them, amplify, and it's pretty neat stuff. Now, we don't do that to our toys, but... So there you go. Again, check that description below for a playlist or search our channel. And who doesn't love Sesame Street? Thanks for watching.
Well, that's all for today. Tomorrow it's gonna be Meet the Robinsons. And you know why, Quasimodo?
What?
Yippee-ki-yay, mother checkers!
Ah, those are for movies!
Forget it. Quasimodo, go check the emojis, please.
Yes. But you have to be careful about that.
So, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye!
Well, that's all folks. Good night. Thanks for watching.